So this morning we've got up early and we're rope dropping Crush because it's a popular ride. The queues are over 70 minutes long every day, but there's a massive queue already. It's already at 25 minutes and we're only 5 minutes into the park day. 3/4 of an hour later, we're in! Yay! We're almost done. Can you see them? It's the seagulls from Nemo. Buzz Lightyear.
Bienvenue. Zigzag, les petits soldats et karting ont terminé leur préparation. Maintenant, c'est à vous. Votre mission, explorer et jouer.
Cette nourriture est pour nos invités, pas pour vous.
So me and the eldest has just done Ratatouille. We went to the single rider queue because the full queue was 60 minutes long, but by doing the single rider it was 5 minutes for us. Yes, we were split up, but she was happy with that, as was I, so we've done that one now. Yay!
United Galactic Federation, and I have an urgent request regarding a genetically created life form by the name of Stitch. How? Stitch was created in a lab against all our laws by Dr. Jumba Jukiba. As he was the result of an illegal genetic experiment, he was to be sentenced to exile on a desert asteroid. But he escaped from the Galactic Federation and ended up on your planet quite by accident, where he was adopted by a girl named Lilo. Lilo and her sister Nani live on an island you humans call Kauai. When Stitch first arrived, he was very, very naughty, as he was created for evil with only one purpose, to destroy everything he touched. But curiously, after becoming part of the family, he became good. Mostly good. As promised, we've been checking in from time to time to see how things are going with Lilo and Stitch. But today we discovered that Stitch is missing. Not even Lilo knows where he is. Interestingly, Captain Gantu's space cruiser was stolen today. I'm hoping this is merely a coincidence. We're sending out this message to all E-Earthlings. Help us find Stitch and get him home to his family. I believe in Hawaii they call it Ohana. Good luck.
Moitié de plan, c'est mieux que pas de plan du tout. Je vais travailler sur ma moitié. Regardez, il raconte quoi les capteurs de proximité? Qui gagne la course entre Carole et les missiles?
Telemetry indicates the projectiles could reach us before.
So we've done Avengers Assemble again. It's a great ride, but it's giving me a headache this morning. We've had a hot dog for lunch and now we're heading in to do the Alice in Wonderland show. It's going to be half French, half English. We won't know what's going on anyway. I'll have a better idea than the rest of them, I'm sure, but we shall see. Hey! Twinkle down, yeah? Twinkle down. Yeah! Hey! Yeah! Yay!
Look who came down the rabbit hole. C'est moi, votre chapelier préféré. Yes, it's me, your favorite hunter. Would you care for a cup of tea?
Yes!
Welcome to the sweet road. Fantastic coffee on your body. Leave what you know behind, cause your things work a little differently.
Back in Wonderland? But how?
Absolument. Mais pourquoi? Why? That is the question, Alice.
Pourriez-vous juste m'aider à...
Of course. Chers invités, c'est un nouveau parmi nous, Alice.
Bonjour à tous.
So this is a diorama of what it's all going to look like. So from Main Street, you're going to look down and see that new boulevard. If you come round, and over here is the new bits. Excuse me, boo. So Arundel is over here, yeah, and you've also got Pride Rock over there, which is there's Pride Rock, and I imagine that's going to be the African savannah. Big, massive lake. Then this is Arundel over here.
What's the rides going to be?
Done that one? Let's go. Oh, here, look, there's room for one here. Which one's here? Find you Disneyland Anaheim. You've done that one? Disneyland Paris. We've done that one. Ysgol ni fan hyn, beth ni ddim wedi gwneud ar yn yma. Disney Resort Tokyo. Well, Tokyo was opened before Paris, 1983.
We will do that one.
We will do that one. And we've got another one.
All the way
There's plenty of room to put more, look. Which one is this one? Disney Resort Shanghai. Is it this one? This one. Disneyland Hong Kong. September 2005. We will do that one. Look at that view. That's Newport Bay Hotel. I stayed there in the 90s. We're walking back to our hotel now. We've been to Disney Village and now we're walking back to our hotel along the lake. Over there is the Newport Bay Hotel. There. That's where I stayed when I came in the 90s. And then this is the Hotel New York, which is the one that's themed like Marvel stuff. So seeing as it's on our way to our hotel, we're gonna go in and have a look. But first, let's look at this. It's Iron Man! Stand back, though. Stand back so you can watch this.
I'm scared.
Are you scared?
Yeah.
It's awesome, though. And it's very, very nice.
How big is it?
Huh? You can see now. It's so nice to read, though. Really nice and impressive. So it's put oil in it. Yeah, oil in it. And he's gonna put the flames on. When he throws it in, he goes. Wow! Whoa! Cool, yeah? Hey, c'est une interglace? Are we sticking together or not? Are we?
Oui, oui. Pour les 7 ans de mademoiselle. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
C'est pas Chanel,
We're getting lost in a maze. Shoot those in? Ah, let's see what.
She's back there.
I don't know. The Queen of Hearts is down there. I don't know where she's blocked off.
It's in all the fences.
The Queen of Hearts wanted to go to Heaven.
You can see Big Thunder Mountain from here. The subtotal. Hello. It's very hard, isn't it?
This car is stuck in weeds here.
planet with a formidable fortress. You need to secure the area.
Well, that's it. That's the last night of Disneyland Paris 2025 done. We're guaranteed to be back because he'll book another holiday as soon as we get home, I'm sure of it.
Yep.
Anyway, I have bought myself a little treat. It's a little Robin Hood figurine that I've been after for a while. And yes, I just hope it makes it home safely because it's sort of like ceramic porcelain, I'm not sure. I don't think it's porcelain, I think it's ceramic. But it's so detailed and beautiful. Do you think it's going to make it home safe?
Yes.
Why?
Because it's well packaged.
It's in, what's it called? Polystyrene. And then it's in a box and it's going to go into a suitcase. And thankfully we're not flying, so hopefully the suitcase will be safer. Anyway, let's take one quick glance around before we leave.
Mom, we're still here tomorrow.
As you can see, I'm not the only one taking all the pictures, but it's the last evening, so let's take one look at the castle. And there it is. Beautiful stuff. Visste du det? Titta, jag kan inte säga. Sorry.
They're eating at the same time.
Chyba station Tolney. Station Tolney? Main Street Station. Say hello.
That smiles back. What's he doing?
Just behind me is Main Street Station. Right. Signing off. Goodbye. So goodbye from Disney 2025. It's been great, but it's been tiring. Looking forward to going home to get some rest. And one last look at Main Street Station because this is the best bit. It's very pretty in the back.
And you didn't invite me? Wow. I remember that. Remember that.
Dat is een doorige, man.
And for the first and only time in my life, I just had water slide. Do you remember that?
It's the start of Mountain Dew.
In Paris. Right. Nice.
I like the smell of chlorine.
You're weird.
What?
What are we doing?
We are trying to alleviate the throbbing in our feet by doing this.
And I'm on the wall too.
And hers on the wall too.
And Eo. Well, Eo hasn't been watching today, so he didn't have to do it.
This is not a good look for us. We've only got like half.
A new Disney regime. Feet up at the end of the day.
Oh.
Rock salt in the bath in the morning. And as much bloody pain relief tablets as I can swallow without getting an overdose. Still.
Do you know what though? This is not a relaxing holiday. Why do we keep doing it?
Because it's fun.